Best deals.
1. Funnels. Made of premium quality silicone, kitchen funnel set is environmentally friendly and 100% food grade safe. Just put it on bottles or cans, then pouring fresh fruit jars, delicious coffee, sweet candy. The 1.65 inches wide mouth is large enough for transferring most food. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Kettle. Designed for convenience, this 1.2L multi-cooker kettle is perfect for preparing a variety of meals and beverages, including boiling water, milk, eggs, tea, coffee, soup, oats. Whether you need a quick cup of tea or a fast meal, this kettle is your go-to kitchen companion. Made from high-quality stainless steel. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Chopper. This sturdy and durable chopper is what you require for your kitchen. Replace the blades with a mixing stick if you are done with chopping. It's great for mixing salad, making sauces, stirring eggs, and cream. Chopper can be easily removed. The lid, blades and the storage bowl can be separated, so it will be cleaned easily. Although manual, the handheld chopper runs without electricity, and the blades give it plenty of power. Cut what you want into small pieces and put them in. Speedy chopper is made of high quality material. The vegetable chopper container is made from a quality, food grade, and BPA free plastic. Finely chop ginger, garlic, herbs, etc. by rolling the turntable base on the kitchen counter with minimum effort. The chopper doesn't need electricity, battery, or cord to operate. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Napkin holder. Towel rack has high load bearing capacity and holds up to 5 kg. Strong adhesiveness protects against water and provides extra strength and durability. Hang bath towels, clothes, napkins in your bathroom with this towel hanger. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Storage basket. Store kitchen utensils, snacks, pots, and cleaning supplies in one place. This basket helps you easily organize your kitchen, pantry, or bathroom. Perfect for under-sink organization, pantry storage, or as a snack holder. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Glass jars. Enhanced by a natural wooden lead and jute chain, adding both elegance and a touch of rustic character. Airtight seal ensures freshness and preserves the flavor of stored items, and it's leak-proof, freezable, microwavable and oven-safe. Ideal for storing snacks, fried foods, masalas, spices, pickles, cookies, and more. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Storage rack. A wall-mounted metal towel storage rack that enhances your bathroom or kitchen with stylish organization. Made from high-quality metal, this durable storage solution offers a modern look that effortlessly complements any decor. Optimize your space with the wall-mounted rack. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Garmain steamer. Equipped with 7 steam nozzles which delivers up to 20.5 gram per minute continuous steam up to 15 minutes. Equipped with 360 degrees free movement swivel cord for you to move the steamer effortlessly in every direction. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Toilet brush. Attractive containers to hold the brush and ensure no messy flow. With nylon bristles which are flexible and durable. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Storage containers. Stylish boxes with secure, spill-proof lids. Nature Box ensures your food stays fresh and contained, preventing leaks and maintaining cleanliness. Perfect for both home and on-the-go use. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Milk boiler. Crafted from high-quality, durable stainless steel, this milk boiler is resistant to rust, corrosion, and stains, ensuring long-lasting performance and easy cleaning. Designed with double-wall insulation for faster boiling, enhanced heat retention, and a cool exterior. Features a single, heat-resistant Bakelite handle. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Wrap dispenser. Equipped with 2 built-in hidden sliding blades, this dispenser ensures safe, clean, and effortless cutting of cling film and foil. Dual-direction cutters are sharp yet securely enclosed, preventing hand injuries while delivering smooth, even cuts every time. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Vacuum cleaner. A first-in-class vacuum cleaner that combines vacuuming and mopping, delivering a complete cleaning solution in one device. This powerful 3-in-1 vacuum cleaner is ideal for everyday cleaning tasks at home. Designed to enhance cleaning efficiency, the Turbo Sweep feature ensures deep and fast cleaning, making this vacuum cleaner for home a perfect choice for busy households. Vacuum cleaner is equipped with a robust and energy-efficient 600W motor paired with advanced Turbo Sweep technology to provide exceptional power. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Storage bin. Made of durable PET material, these versatile bins can also be used in other rooms of the home. Use them in craft rooms, bedrooms, bathrooms, offices, garages, playrooms. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Air fryer liners are totally dishwasher safe, help you to save your time and energy after cooking. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Candy floss maker machine. One button control makes it straightforward and easy for anyone to use. Safe and easy to use, ideal size for home use, easy to store and transport for various occasions. Produces fluffy, delicious cotton candy in just a few minutes. Works with regular, flavored, or colored granulated sugar, offering a variety of flavor options. Brings a festive atmosphere to any event with its colorful and fun design. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Ceramic plates. Shaped like a bread slice with an embossed, good day detail. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Portable blender. This blender's lightweight and compact design easily fits into your purse, diaper bag, or car cup holder, making it your perfect travel companion. Whether you are at the office, school pickup, the gym, or a weekend trip, you can blend fresh smoothies, baby food, or protein shakes anytime, anywhere. The USB Type-C port ensures fast, universal charging using a laptop, car charger, or power bank, no need to hunt for wall sockets. Equipped with a high-efficiency 230-watt motor and 22,000 RPM speed, this portable blender delivers exceptional blending power in seconds. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Insulated water bottle. Made from high-quality food-grade stainless steel, this product ensures your beverages remain fresh and free from harmful chemicals. Keeps drinks at your desired temperature, hot for up to 20 hours and cold for 24 hours. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Phone stand holder. Unique astronaut design, foldable function for horizontal and vertical views for watching, super convenient and still adorable looks, enough to hold tablet sizes, mini but functional, can be used as cell phone stand for desk from different angles, saves your trouble of working and talking at the same time. It's not bulky at all, durable and pretty fashionable. Product link is given in the 20th link. 21. Juicer. Are a great way to improve your healthy lifestyle and overall health. Fruit is largely composed of water, but its selling point is its nutritional value. How do you extract the juice from fruit, without leaving the nutrients behind? Juices extract more nutrients and transfers less heat to protect enzymes and maximize nutrient absorption of select nutrients. A glass of freshly made fruit juice is the most refreshing and healthy start your day can get. To serve that purpose, Hi-Tech brings to you Juice Slow Juicer. The slow spiral pressing technology takes the process of extracting juice from fruits and vegetables to a whole new level of purity. Its super large inlet reduces the time and effort that goes in cutting the fruit into small pieces. It intakes small fruits as a whole and juices them with utmost precision. Designed to produce minimal to no noise and low vibration, this juicer is convenient and safe to use. Product link is given in the 21st link. 22. Food cover. This food cover is made of high-quality food-grade material, which can be directly in contact with food. It is refrigerator-safe and can tolerate low temperatures. It is made of BPA-free plastic material, a great food covering laid, food protector. Each food cover has a handle. Product link is given in the 22nd link. 23. Mixer grinder. Made of superior quality material, the Super Mixer Grinder enables you to cut, chop, mix and grind at a relatively faster speed. Including 3 jars of varying capacity, the mixer grinder empowers you to add more variety to your culinary presentations. Product link is given in the 23rd link. 24. Rangoli mats. Elevate your home's ambience with 18-inch lotus flower rangoli mats for decoration. This portable DIY rangoli mat kit is perfect for quick and easy decoration at home or adding a festive vibe to any space, indoors or outdoors. Rangoli mat with wooden base are durable stencil, reusable, and detailed border template, ensuring the beauty of your decorations remains intact over time. Delight your loved ones with Rangoli template. Product link is given in the 24th link. 25. Soap dispenser is a very convenient and effortless way to wash your dishes. It has a 2-in-1 design to hold your liquid soap and sponge, so you can easily access both at once. Dish soap dispenser has a capacity of 12.5 ounces. Product link is given in the 25th link. 26. Drawers. Unit offers great capacity, perfect for organizing various items, even your makeup or cosmetics items for your dressing room. It is ideal for keeping your kitchen, kids' room, or any space tidy. This kitchen drawer organizer can be used in multiple settings. Whether you need it in your kitchen, bedroom, or kids' room, it adapts to your storage needs. Drawers features a modular design, allowing you to stack or arrange them as per your preference. This flexibility helps you maximize your space effectively. Product link is given in the 26th link. 27. Puttu maker. Includes 3 puttu candles, 2 idli plates, 4 idlis each, a mini idli plate, and a steamer, dokla plate for efficient, simultaneous cooking. Steam multiple servings at once, ideal for large families or gatherings. Combines multiple cooking functions in one unit, reducing kitchen clutter and maximizing space. Made from high-grade stainless steel that's rust and corrosion resistant for long-lasting use. Product link is given in the 27th link. 28. Peeler. Easily peel precise strips of carrots, cucumber, zucchini and more. Compact, comfortable Y peeler shape is easy to maneuver and works with every grip. Sharp, durable stainless steel blades won't rust, has non-slip ergonomic handle and dishwasher safe. Product link is given in the 28th link. 29. Fan. It comes with 3 adjustable wind speeds, so you can choose the perfect level of airflow to suit your needs. To change the speed setting, simply press the power button. Low speed at 3500 R per meter, medium speed at 450 R per meter, and high speed at 750 R per meter. Product link is given in the 29th link. 30. Rubbing stone. Handcrafted from durable natural stone with classic grey finish, perfect for grinding turmeric, sandalwood, and Ayurvedic herbs. Product link is given in the 30th link.